Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing bulgur with some veggies. This is a simple dish to make that you could do at home or anywhere you want. Follow my channel to see more recipes. First of all, let's chop an onion in squares. Then let's mince a carrot. Then 2 sweet red bell peppers, and I'm taking a red one and a yellow one. And then you chop it. 2 tomatoes, you cut it into circles, and two pieces of garlic. And then let's cut some parsley. Then add 1 glass of bulgur and add water and then just clean it. In a hot pan, add a little bit of olive oil. Then add the bulgur and fry it for 5 or 4 minutes. All the bulgur, put it into the other half of the pan and add some olive oil and the onions. Go mixing all together and then mix all together. Then add the carrots and mix it all together. Then add the peppers and add some peas, like 50 grams. Then half of a tablespoon of salt and some pepper, how much you like. Then mix it. Then add the tomatoes and the garlic. After, add the water. Close it and let it boil with the veggies. After, when all the water is sucked by the bulgur, add the parsley and mix it. It's all perfectly done. It's delicious and really easy to make. I'm sure you would love to try this and make it at home. If you like this recipe, give me a like and tell me in the commentaries what recipe should I do next. Follow my channel so you don't forget to watch any of my videos. Thank you for watching.